What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if you can't receive text messages on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone you will start receiving text messages. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network is poor. So move to an area where you can get good network, and after getting good network signals, the text messages issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is tap and hold on the messages app and then tap on this information icon. Now here go to its storage and clear the cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the text messages receiving issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the you can't receive text messages issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.